I, C.H. Vijayashankar, do swear in the name of God that I will faithfully discharge the function of the Governor of Meghalaya. I am really very glad to be here as a Governor of Meghalaya. It's again an opportunity for me to serve the Meghalaya as a Governor of the state. I am supposed to work here as a Governor. I take everybody into confidence here, not only government, not only bureaucracy. I take everybody into confidence and only development. I know any personal agenda here. I never keep any personal agenda here, including political. Prime Minister and the President of India, they have sent me here to serve the state as a governor. That's all my responsibility.